Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the search engine for both Microsoft Edge and Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three dots. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Now look at the left panel of your settings page. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls how Edge handles your search behavior and privacy preferences, which is exactly what we need to adjust your default search engine. Within this menu, click on Search and Connected Experiences. This opens up more specific options related to how your browser processes search queries. Next, click on Address Bar Search. This is where Edge lets you control what happens when you type directly into the address bar at the top of your browser. Here, navigate to search engine used in the address bar. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal all your available search engine options, including Bing, Yahoo, Google, DuckDuckGo, and Yandex. Simply select your preferred search engine from this list, and Edge will now use it whenever you search from the address bar. Your changes are saved automatically, so you're all set with Microsoft Edge. Now let's move on to Brave browser. Open your Brave browser on your computer. In the upper right corner, you'll notice three horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu, then select Settings from the options that appear. This brings you to Brave's Settings dashboard where you can customize your browsing experience. In the left panel, click on Search Engine. This section is dedicated specifically to managing how Brave handles your search queries, making it easy to switch to your preferred search provider. Navigate to search engine used in the address bar. Right beside it, click on Change. This will open a window displaying all the available search engines you can choose from. You'll see several search engine options listed with circles beside each one. Select your preferred search engine by clicking the circle next to it. This marks it as your choice. Once you've made your selection, click Set as Default to confirm your choice. Brave will now use your selected search engine whenever you search from the address bar. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default search engine for both Microsoft Edge and Brave browser, giving you more control over your browsing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.